Hello, let's discuss find outside array question from today's contest. You are given an array of size n. You will try to find an integer in the form ai plus aj such that it does not appear in the given array. Ai may be equal to aj and even I can be equal to j. If it is not possible, print -1. The n can go up to 255 and values can go from -1 to 1 in. For example, the size is 2 and there is -5 and 5. The one of the possible answers is -5 and 5 because the sum is 0 and it is not present in the given array. So, for example, if all elements are positive, let's try to find a pair whose sum is not present in the given array. So they have given that two indices which we are considering may be equal as well. So let's try to think the most possible easiest case which is I is equal to j. So let's try to assume we are finding the index with both as 0. So if we are trying to take this, the numbers will be 1 and 1, but the sum is 2 and it is present in the given array which is 2. So what if let's try to take second element, and if we are trying to take 2, even this sum 4 is present in the array. So even this is not the answer. But can we take something better? What if we take last element? If we take last element, as all elements are positive, its twice will surely be not in the given array because this is the highest element in the array. So now we are trying to find 2 into highest number in the given array. Is that possible? No, because we sorted the given array and we found that all elements are positive, and if we take maximum of it, 2 into maximum of it, it will be not in the present array. So if all elements are positive, our answer is maximum comma maximum, because the sum which is 2mx will not be in the given array. And now what if all elements are negative? And now let's try, as we discussed here, we are going with the maximum element. Now even let's try this. So the maximum here is the last element because the elements are negative, and its twice is -2, which is present in the array. So because before all elements are positive, so if you are taking double, it may be in the right side. But now if you are taking double, it can be in the left side. So now let's try to take the minimum element. And now if we are trying to double, this will surely reduce because we are adding a negative number to another negative number. So the value decreases. So is there a way it will present in the given array? No, because even this is the least element, and to get the least element twice of it, we have to go before. But this is the minimum, so it is not possible. So if all elements are negative, our answer can be minimum comma minimum. And now, but the original is the array elements can have both positive and negative. So we found one. If the minimum is less than 0, it means that all elements are negative. So second case, so the answer is mn comma mn, minimum comma minimum. And if maximum is greater than 0, so we have at least one positive number. So we can print maximum maximum. So, but we are missing case -1 because we found two choices. If minimum is less than 0, we are sure that there will be no pair with sum to minimum, and similarly maximum is greater than 0. But what when the answer is -1? It is possible only when all elements are 0. Because if we found at least one positive element, which is at least one, we are trying to return maximum. And similarly, if we are finding negative, we are trying to return the minimum. So the answer is -1 only if all elements are 0. So if all elements are like 0, we can take, if we able to take any pair, the sum is again 0 and it is not present in the given array. Let's take some example. If it is 0, 0, 1, we found a number which is positive number, so the sum 2, it is not present in the given array, so the answer is 1, 1. And similarly, if it is -1 and 0 and 0, we can take -1, -1. But if the array is 0, 0, 0, we are not able to find a pair, so it is -1. So similarly, the code, we are taking the input and initializing the minimum with maximum and maximum with minimum, and we are updating while taking. And if the input number is 0, we are incrementing 0 because we want a case whether all elements are 0. So if 0 is equal to n, this means that all are zeros. Then our answer is -1. Then print and go to the next case. And if minimum is then 0, print both minimum values. And if it is greater than 0, maximum is greater than 0, then print both maximum values. So in this way we can find the answer. Drop a like, comment below. See you in the next video.